So I have reached back to my station and today is Friday, as you can see here, 7:16 and Friday evening.
चलिए शुरू करते हैं.
So people are coming out of the station and now I am also crossing the road. See, the guy is waiting for me because I am crossing the road. This is what you have to follow if you are driving a car, that if somebody is going by feet or if somebody is riding the bicycle, then you have to stop for them to go first. Oh my god! So today is Friday evening, so I am thinking of having my food at the restaurant where I park my bicycle, because I have never gone to that restaurant, but I am every day parking my bicycle there for free. So I think today is the time that I repay to that restaurant.
शाबाश बेटा.
So yeah, so this is the restaurant. The name is Gusto Cafe Restaurant Gusto. So this is the parking area of that restaurant. That is the restaurant. I am sure that if you have been following my vlogs, then you are very much aware of the restaurant and the area. It looks nice, and somebody told me that it's a robotic restaurant, right? Robots are there to serve. So let's see whether these are there or not. People are still coming because this is Friday evening, so people are coming, and usually this restaurant is full, and let's see today if it's full or not. And here you can see the parking is full. This side parking is full, so I am thinking that today also it's full. So you can see the name Gusto and above that board. And let me show you the restaurant first from outside. Let's go and ask whether seat is there or not, like whether it is vacant or not. Today let's repay the price of parking my bicycle every day here. So this is the waiting area, so let's wait. Hitori itemasu. Doko de desu ka? So guys, I got this table, and the restaurant is very good, and I showed you the waiters also. They are not waiters, they are robots. So let me show you when it will bring my order. So let me order first, and first let me show you my table. So here, this is the table, and it says that if you are sitting, so don't use laptop, notepad and pen. It says like that. And from here we are going to place the order. So all these pamphlets we don't need, right? And here if I show you, see, these are the chopsticks, black color chopsticks, and next to this is this fork and spoon. Okay, so let's place the order, and here you can see the soya sauce is there and the tissues. Okay, let's see what we can eat here. So usually I don't go to restaurants, but today I came. Chumo o kaise suru. So I am one person, so let's select one person and menu. We can still choose English also. So yeah, let's choose English because that is easy to read, right, for all of us. So you can see checkout, order history, if you have any allergies, so user guide, counter bell, view, order card. So let's see, select from pictures, it says. Let's select from pictures. Okay, this looks good, and let's see other things. Fried chicken and green curry plate. This also looks good. This is also good. Cold noodles in tom yum goong thai spicy with soya milk cream. See, it is serving. When he will take the order and press the button, the robot will go back. He didn't press the button. He pressed. Now it will go back. Interesting, right? Now it is going back to take next order. Okay, let's just place our order. Okay, let's see next. Okay, this is Pork is there, so I don't want curry pizza. Curry pizza. Hey, how will this be? I am thinking. Let's see all the dishes, then we will decide. This is black curry. No. Pork cutlet. No. Okay, then these are. You know, this fish is very expensive, and I have seen that. This is kakigori, shaved ice. So they, you know, like ice ka gola, barf ka gola, like that. They shave the ice and then prepare this. Okay, there are other things also in the menu, but this is beef, so no. Then steak also beef, I think. So yeah. Okay, let's decide something. Okay guys, so I have decided that I am going to have this. This is cold noodles in Tom Yum Goong Thai spicy soup with soya milk cream. It looks delicious, so I have decided this. So you can order like when you select. So this is going to be 900 yen. So let's select, and you see 640 calories and salt content 5.4 gram. It will be exact. So let's select this. So select one of the following. So next, so I can choose all these things with that. Like if I want to add any toppings, you see the robot came. It is going to serve someone. So let's place our order. These are the mini balls if you want to add. And so I have ordered like add to cart. So let's add, view order cart. Now if I want to change, I can change, I can delete. So let's confirm the order. Thank you for your order. Please take from the drink corner. Water, soup, bar. So guys, I am feeling like going to the washroom because I am waiting for my order. So yeah. So that's the restroom. So let's go to restroom. So this. He is not moving because she is standing in front. So he is not able to move. Why she is not moving? Guys, my order has come. Actually, she only brought. The robot didn't bring. Maybe the robot was delivering somebody else's order. But it's fine. You saw how the robot brings the order, right? So this is, see, it looks delicious. And I also ordered drinks. So unlimited drinks, 370 yen I ordered. So I want to enjoy drinks also. Let me show you later how to take drinks, unlimited drinks. First we will start eating this. Let's taste how it is. Okay, so yeah, let's take this. See, there is egg, okay, and chicken and prawns, tomato. So yeah, let's taste it. See, guys, so let's eat the egg. How does it look? It looks oishi, right? Tasty. The egg. It's a cold meal, but it's delicious. They're very hard to bite. Like, you keep chewing them, then it is getting chewed. Okay, so 370 yen, unlimited drinks. Let's go and take the drinks. So this is the drink bar. So let me take Ichigo Ore. Like This is the strawberry milk. So let me press this. Sumitai monowa dochira desu ka? Hai. Hai. Mata kirimasu.
はい、他のいろんなイチゴ類が。
ああ、わかりました。ありがとうございます。バニラを1号例にしましょう。So guys, we have put the ice, so let it come. You saw two are coming. One is vanilla, one is ichigo, like strawberry. Okay. So guys, what I have done right now is that I brought one cold drink, Minute Maid. This is orange soda, Minute Maid, and this is hot coffee, but I put ice in it and made it cold because I am having a cold meal. So I am having like two drinks together. One is soda, one is milk. So yeah, little let's mix it. Now I'm going to get my fifth drink. I tasted this drink. I thought it would be normal, but it's very good. Mixed fruit juice and it's very tasty. The food is almost over. Okay, and this is my 11th drink. You won't believe different drinks are there. Matcha drink, so matcha with milk and vanilla ice cream, something flavor was there. So it is very tasty. So this is my 11th drink. भैया 370 yen दिए हैं तो पिएंगे तो ही. Now I think I am full. Let's go and do the billing. If I show you the bill, this is the bill. So this is 900 yen for this meal, and this is 370 yen for unlimited drinks. The total is 1270 yen. Now let's go out and then talk. Guys, अब इस robot को भी bye बोल देते हैं. Let's say bye to the robot waiter. Though he didn't bring my food, but yeah, bye bye. And you see the glasses are of Coca-Cola. See, he has taken one drink and since then he is working for half an hour. He has been working on something and he has taken one drink. ऐसा भी चलता है. So let's pay the bill. She is paying. Okay, I have to keep the bill like that. Okay, everything is automatic. Maybe I have to pay one by one because I have two bills. Okay, let's pay now. Sure. Okay, I have to keep it here. O kaike wa o hajimeru. Okay, let's start. So it will read, I think, automatically. Okay, it read automatically. See, the bill is of 900 yen. It is showing 1270 because it has considered this bill also. Like this is the total. Now let's do this. Okay, owarimashita. Arigatou gozaimasu. Okay, I am out now. Okay guys, so you can see the bill was of 1270 rupees. Sorry, 1270 yen. In rupees, I'll write the amount here. So it was a good experience. I had a lot of drinks, around 11 to 12 drinks I had. Enjoyed a lot. My stomach is full, completely full. I was thinking that my stomach will not be full, but it's full. Let's go and take the cycle. And you might be thinking 1270 yen for one person, like almost 1300 yen for one person. But yes, it's not expensive. It is cheap because unlimited drinks and very good drinks. And the food was also good. And all that in 1270 yen. Considering the price of products in Japan, it was a good price. See what facilities this restaurant is offering is, it's near to the station. It is offering unlimited drinks, variety of drinks. It has robotic waiters and the ambience is very good. So all these I can consider it as a service, because if they don't keep it, then because obviously they also are paying higher price for having a restaurant at this location. So obviously charging that much is fine. Plus मेरा तो pay करना बनता था क्योंकि मैं रोज साइकिल यहाँ पार्क करता हूँ भाई. And if I am paying 1300 yen for unlimited drinks and a meal, I think it's a good price because I'm parking my bicycle also every day for free. Since today is Friday, I'll go back home and I'll take some rest because I don't need to prepare food. I already had my food here. Tomorrow is Saturday. I can easily wake up late in the morning and prepare my food for tomorrow, day after tomorrow. So I am at ease. I want to know from you how many drinks you would have drunk if you had paid 370 yen, means 222 rupees. So let me know in the comment section how many drinks would you drink. So let's finish the video today here, and if you like the video, like it, subscribe it, share it with others here, and don't forget to comment. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and have fun.